In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve content from an archived website using the Wayback Machine. This is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to access old versions of web pages or for research into how a website has evolved over time. It's pretty straightforward, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open the Wayback Machine. It's a free service provided by the Internet Archive, which is an incredible resource for viewing historical internet content. To get started, simply open your web browser and head over to web.archive.org. The website is pretty user-friendly, so once you're there, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. Next, you'll want to enter the website address you're interested in. In the search bar, type in the old website domain you want to explore. For instance, if you're looking to find archived pages of example.com, just type that in. After you've entered the desired address, hit Enter or the search button, and you'll be taken to a page displaying the site's history. Now comes the fun part, picking a snapshot. You'll notice a timeline at the top of the page, displaying the years during which the Wayback Machine recorded data from the website. Click on the year you're interested in. The calendar view will appear, highlighting certain dates. These are the dates when snapshots of the site were taken. You'll see them represented by colorful circles, blue and green being the most common. Go ahead and click on one of these circles. This will load the archived version of the site as it appeared on that particular date, allowing you to step back in time to view the content as it was back then. Once you've loaded the archived page, copying the text is a breeze. Highlight any piece of text directly from the page by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired section. After highlighting, you can right-click and select the Copy option from the context menu that appears. With the text now copied, just paste it into your preferred application, such as Word, Google Docs, or Notepad, by right-clicking in the document and choosing Paste. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved text from an archived web page using the Wayback Machine. With this tool, you can revisit past content, analyze website changes over time, or simply satisfy your curiosity about the Internet's history. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a try and see what fascinating web pages you can uncover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have